Mr. Harris once again coming at you with more math jewels. Now, this example we're going to be talking about the stem and leaf plot. I know stem and leaf probably sounds kind of weird talking about some math, but once again we're talking about statistics and collecting statistical data. So in this case, it's just another way of presenting some data in a data set. So as you can see, I have the numbers in my data set. There are a total of 20 elements in this data set, and here's the way it's just listed in general, no particular order, but down here, as you can see, the numbers are listed in order from least to greatest. Now you'll see in just a minute where listing the numbers in order from least to greatest comes in handy. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So when we're talking about drawing a stem and leaf plot, it's actually quite simple. So it looks almost like a T-chart. And on the left side we have the stem, and on the right side we have the leaves. Now, our smallest number is 5 and our largest number is 60. So in this case, the stems would represent the numbers in the tens place. So we go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so since 5 is the only single digit number, we just put a 5 there next to the 0. When we look at 16 and 17, we would put a 6 here and a 7 here. For the numbers in our 20s, we would have, that would represent 23, 6, 8 for 26 and 28. And then when we get to the 30s, we have 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, and 9. We have, for the 40s, 7, 7, 7, and 8. That represents 47, 47, 47, and 48. And then we have 54, 55, and 60. So there are 20 numbers in our data set. Let's make sure that we have 20 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 digits or 20 numbers in our stem and leaf plot. Now, this is it. Now let's say we had a scenario to where these numbers, the number 23, 26, and 28 was not there. So let's say you have a stem and there are no numbers in that particular group of numbers. So let's say that there were no numbers in the 20s. We still want the stem of 2 there because they're equal increments down the stems. However, we would just leave the leaves blank. Okay? So, once again, you're going to see in the next example that we can actually find out a lot of information from using the stem and leaf plot. Let's say that we were given the stem and leaf plot, but we didn't have the number, the data set. You're going to see what we can do from that information as well. Young Guru's Math Tutoring. I got the solution to your math problems, baby.